Meaning of hysterics.
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 Hysterics. Hysterics refers to a state of extreme emotional outburst characterized by uncontrollable crying, screaming, or laughing, often accompanied by physical symptoms such as shaking, hyperventilation, and fainting. This term was historically used to describe a condition thought to be specific to women and caused by disturbances of the uterus. However, the modern understanding is that hysterics can affect anyone of any gender and has various causes, including psychological stress and trauma-related disorders. Hysterics can be very distressing for the person experiencing them and may require medical attention or therapy.